Hello, in this video I'm gonna tell you what to do if your HP Chromebook 14A is not turning on. If it is not turning on, then first of all try pressing on the power button right here and wait a moment. If it doesn't help, try pressing and holding on the power button and see if that works. If it still doesn't, then try plugging it into power. And if it doesn't turn on after plugging it into power, wait until it charges a bit. You may need to wait up to half an hour and see if it works. If it still doesn't, make sure that your charger works. A recommended charger for this laptop should have 45 watts. So a standard phone charger may not supply enough power for it to run. So make sure you have a 45 watt charger or something around that. If it's more, it doesn't affect it in a bad way. And if it's less, then depends on how less it is. You can also borrow a charger from someone else. If your charger is ingenuine, it doesn't have to be from HP, but if your charger is just from a non-reputable brand, then it may not be working, but also some reputable brands ones may break after some time. So try just borrowing a different charger. If it still doesn't work, then you need to have in mind that if your laptop has been exposed to very cold temperatures for a long time, then it may need to wait even up to 12 hours, not always 12 hours, but even up to 12 hours before it's able to work properly. So if it was exposed to cold temperatures, wait for at least 3 hours before you turn it on. Then the last thing, if all of that still doesn't work, try booting to recovery mode. I'm gonna turn the laptop off because you can see in my case it's on. So I'm gonna press and hold on the power button, then click on shut down to shut it down. And let's wait a moment until it fully shuts down. Then you should press and hold on escape and refresh key at the same time. And while holding on those, I don't know how to hold it well. While holding on both of these keys, shortly press on the power button, but keep pressing both of these keys. If this screen shows up, then it's really great because all you need to do now is use the arrows to do recovery using internet connection. And by the way, there is a video on how to reinstall Chrome OS on this laptop, and it explains in detail on how to do it all. So if you don't know how to do it, feel free to see that. And that's basically it. I'm gonna power it off because it actually works. The laptop works in my case, but I hope the video was helpful, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.